Hi guys!
We have a new friend in our video today. This is Miss Lauren, and she's an OT student at school, so she's going to help with our video today, alright? So I'm going to give Miss Lauren and Miss Cathy the directions, and they're going to do something really cool. Alright? So we're going to make a bat, and we're going to start off by tracing a bat shape on the paper.
Alright, we're just going to show you quick. This is what the bat looks like. The wings,
Wings.
and we folded it in half, the paper in half, to make the bat. So Miss Lauren is going to trace it, and she's using a black marker because we were tracing it on brown cardboard, and it's a little hard to see. So as you can see, it's half the bat. Yes. Well, let's see what happens when Miss Lauren cuts it out.
Using her two hands, one hand to hold the paper, and one hand to hold the scissors, and they're going open and close. Somebody can help you with the cutting if you need help, because it's kind of hard.
Yeah, the cardboard's a little thick.
Looking good. Our bat almost has wings.
Almost there. Alright. So now open it up.
Whoa.
Wow, and how many bats do we have? One,
Two.
we have two bats. Okay, Miss Stacy, what comes next?
Alright, so let's move this stuff out of our way so you guys can see. So we're going to make these bats with things that you can probably find in your yard right now. So first we have this over here. You guys know what this is? Do you guys know what this is? What is it?
They're tree branches,
Oh,
sticks.
they're little, yeah. So you're going to collect some of these at your house. And some of them are tall. Some of them might be short. So you have all different sizes. So we're going to fill up the bat's body, the part on the inside, with sticks. But you might have to break the stick with your two hands to get it to the size you want. They're super loud. Listen. Whoa. You're going to need lots of glue, I think, to make them stick on there.
So we're filling a hole inside.
Yeah. That part is going to be the bat's body. There's lots of different ways you can do it.
So we're pressing the glue.
Squeezing it with our hands.
Squeezing that.
And then you're going to push down the sticks and use your muscles and push. You might have to turn it around to find the flat part. Or break it into a few pieces because the sticks are not straight.
Oh, did you hear that? It just cracked.
These bats are looking pretty cool. I'm going to give you guys a close-up so you can see the progress. Alright, let's see. So there's one part of our bat. Here's Miss Cathy's bat that she's working on.
Wow, it's hard to put all these sticks, Miss Stacy.
Oh my
The
goodness.
sticks are not flat.
No. You could probably make it with like pipe cleaners or something, but this is more fun. This is like a natural bat. It's a lot of sticks. You could make your bat smaller so it would use less sticks, but that's no fun, right? You want to make a challenge.
So you can hear Miss Lauren and I breaking the sticks up. And we just found these when we went for a walk.
Right now there's lots of sticks down on the ground and there's lots of leaves down on the ground. Pretty soon you're going to start raking the leaves.
Yep.
Oh man. You can jump in the piles of leaves. That's kind of fun. So it takes a lot of sticks to fill up that space. There's lots of breaking the sticks and sticking them on.
And lots and lots and lots of glue.
It's looking like some good progress, though. Can you guys see? These are kind of in front of the sketch. Move that over so you can see the progress.
Let's break it up. One, and of course this one.
Not a loud one.
Not a loud one. That's because it's a fresh stick.
All these dots are looking good.
Okay.
All right. So it looks like the bat bodies are done, and now we need to give the bat some wings. Let's see if it works if you pick it up. If all the things fall off. Pick it up gently. There we go. Nice. That looks good. Only one
Mine
bat.
are all different skinnier sticks.
Pretty cool.
So they don't all have to be the same.
All right. So now for the wings, we have lots of leaves. We have been looking at nice, brightly colored leaves, but most leaves that we see are brown, like this. And they get kind of crunchy. You hear that? Ooh. So we're going to use these leaves and try not to crunch them too much and glue leaves onto the wings of the bats.
Oh, this will be fun. All right, once again, we're squeezing the glue.
There's definitely some crunching.
There's a little crunching.
Not sure how this is all going to work out, so we're going to hope for the best. It's all a big experiment, right? You try stuff, it doesn't work. Try it another way.
You feel that every time we put a leaf on, it's crunching.
Now we'll go for a close-up.
See the leaf? We're putting it on with the glue. Yeah. Crunching, crunching, crunching.
There's a close-up of Miss Lauren gluing on hers. Very crunchy.
Too much.
Right. See everybody working.
This is a very cool project. We're using everything that was right around the school or outside your home.
Mm-hmm. Lots of nature.
Oh, that was a big crunch.
That's so crunchy. I like how noisy this sounds.
And when you take the leaves, the harder Miss Lauren and I press down, the more they crunch. Yeah, I'm not sure they're sticking on it. We're trying.
They're looking good as long as they stay flat.
As long as they stick.
They're looking good though. Here, it's hard to see from this. I think we need to just look at things up close. Can we see both of you up close? Kinda. If we leave it like this. Very cool. Everybody's hands are a little bit sticky, I think, but that's
It's
okay.
kind of like what.
Alright, so now our bats have bodies and they have wings, but they're missing eyes. I'm not entirely sure that bats really have eyes like this. I feel like they use other things to figure out where they're going, but we're going to give our bats some googly eyes, okay? Go back here.
Their eyes in the middle, Miss Stacy?
I mean, I think you can put your eyes wherever you want to. Probably somewhere near the top on a stick, maybe.
I don't think mine's going to stick to the stick. I think I'm going to just put it on the paper.
Every bat is different, so, you know, it's good to be unique. these are some cute bats. They're looking really good. Alright. Yeah, I would ask you guys to pick up your bats, but I feel like that would be dangerous. So we'll look up close. Oh man, look how cute that bat is. And we got Miss Cathy's cute bat over here.
So I put my eyes on top, and Miss Lauren put hers a little bit further down.
Alright, so now we're going to give our bats some ears. We have two different funny ways to give them ears, alright? So Miss Lauren has some triangles over here. Miss Cathy has
Pretzels.
So we're going to just give them some ears on the top of their heads, maybe glue it to the back. I don't really know. Who's your judgment?
I'm going to break my pretzel in half.
Gluing that pretzel on is going to be an adventure. So now our bats can see and they can hear. And we'll give you guys another close-up once they're done. And then there's one last part we're going to do. They're looking so good. I feel like we should just leave it close here. Because otherwise it's hard to see. How can we see everybody?
Here, I'll turn it. And my eyes got all glue on it, so you can't even see it. There you go. See, it's got two ears.
So cute.
And my ears don't stick up quite
Those
as
look
much
like eyebrows.
They do.
Miss Cathy's bat has eyebrows and not That's cool. I like it.
But that's alright.
Alright, so there's one last thing we're going to do. And that's, we're going to give our bats some legs. So we're going to poke holes in the bottom of the body. And then give it two legs so that once our bats are dry, they can hang upside down from their legs.
Oh boy. Okay, so I'm going to take the pointy part of my scissor, but have your parents help you
Adult
with this.
supervision for this piece.
Because Miss Cathy might need adult supervision for this too.
Don't stab yourself.
Because this cardboard.
You got this. Yay! Alright.
See if I can do it.
This you really need to use your fingers. So you're going to push it through the hole.
Don't do it, I just did.
Uh-oh. Don't cut yourself.
Is Miss Lauren okay? Miss Lauren might need a Band-Aid.
Oh dear.
Top drawer, Miss Stacy. Band-Aids. Yeah.
Do you want me to finish your back?
Sure. In the top right-hand drawer, there's a bag.
Alright, guys. So, we're going to put our pipe cleaners through the hole. Ready? We're going to stick it through. You're going to use your fingers to pull it through and then to twist it here. Nice. We got one leg. Then I'm going to put this one in the other hole. I'm going to push it through.
And my ears look like eyebrows.
Twist it. Can you see me twisting it around? And then our bats are done. I don't know if we are brave enough to hang them upside down right now because I feel like things might fall off. But what will happen once it's all dry, what's supposed to happen is because bats hang upside down, you would pretend they were hanging upside down. Oh, it's not falling off yet. Yay, really quick. Woo! Oh, he fell apart a little bit. That's okay.
Ta-da! Yay! I lost an ear.
He stayed together pretty well, though. All right. So that was kind of fun. You saw you could use stuff that you find outside to make a bat. All right. So we hope you had fun watching.
It was a very cool activity.
Bye.